So hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So if you can see, I broke my right side rear view mirror. I'll just fix it today. I'll fix it before the ride. So what happened was, I just broke my sj5000 case few days back while I was recording on my Thunderbird 350. You know how the vibrations on the Royal Enfield, right? So I kept the helmet on the bike and I was revving it continuously. So due to those heavy vibrations, the helmet fell down and the camera case broke. Yeah, just take a look over here. Okay, I just dropped my helmet down and this part of the mount is broken now. I hope you can see it. So without this, the camera angle won't be good. And here's the one more thing, and here's my camera. Great. So after this, I went home and I didn't know it's going to be this difficult to find an sj5000 case. And this is what I get when I search for sj5000 waterproof case. Like seriously, it's just irrelevant. Look what I get when I search for waterproof housing in Flipkart. Cool. After going home, I searched online everywhere, but I didn't find the case. Actually, I found it, but look at these prices, dude. Like seriously, one sj5000 case costs you around 5 to 6,000, and a camera costs you around 8,000. Like, what the fuck is this, dude? So I decided not to waste those many bucks on just a waterproof case. So I ordered a sj4000 case. Even though I know that it does not fit with the sj5000, it does not have a Wi-Fi switch for the case, but still I ordered it just to save a few bucks. And take a look what happened after that. So this is the new sj4000 waterproof case which I have bought for my sj5000. I hope this fits in because it costed me somewhere around 600 and I saved literally 2 to 3,000 bucks. So let's see it will fit or not. I hope this fits in. No. God, it's not fitting in, dude. Please go inside, babe. Please. No? Fuck you. So if you can see, there are multiple layers on the case. Just take a look over here. There's a multiple layer over here and all the four sides, because of which the camera is not going inside. So if you can see, there's a 3.5 mm jack coming out, and because of this we can't do anything now. So I guess I'll just have to return back the product to the seller, and I hope he takes back the order. And no worries, I'll find a new jugaad for this. Till then, we'll see. And note this down, sj4000 case does not fit sj5000, so do not buy it. So I had to return the product back to the seller. As I purchased it from Amazon, I didn't get any problem in returning the product and refund and all. it's not my fault as well, because come on man, who spends 4,000 5,000 for a waterproof case? It's just not fair, right? So yeah, so if you have an sj5000 camera, please keep your camera and the case very safely, because you're not gonna find a waterproof case so easily. Don't be an asshole like me. So yeah, that's it for today. If you all like the video, then give it a big fat thumbs up for sure, and do subscribe to the channel, and something big is coming soon. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, ciao.